Open the Wallet app on your smartphone. Click on the digital key and press the sharing symbol. Any messaging app will work. Optionally, restrict the key, for example for young drivers. Choose a receiving contact and go ahead to send the key. The shown activation code is necessary for security reasons if the key is not shared via Apple iMessage. As a receiver, click on the link to add the shared digital key to your smartphone wallet and continue. Now you can already unlock the vehicle. To fully activate the key, go to Apps, Keys, Digital Key, Activate Smartphone. Type in the received code to activate your shared digital key. Alternatively, the shared key can be activated in presence of another active digital key or physical key. Done! You're ready to go.